Hi there, welcome to the demo for Irrigation Service Assistant. This app is designed to provide a simple, powerful, and dynamic solution for irrigation professionals to manage their client list, along with the specific services provided to each site that they manage. With Irrigation Service Assistant, you can create unlimited client profiles, create multiple sites for each client, and record the specific services that you provide on each individual site. Furthermore, with the app's built-in search function, you are able to quickly pull up a list of all of your clients who require a specific set of services. This is particularly helpful in irrigation service to provide a very quick listing of all your startup or all your winterization clients in a particular postal or zip code region. Additionally, you can quickly and easily create a zone list for each site that you can email to your client or to your office for quick and easy reference and to speed up all future service calls. When we open the app, we arrive at the client screen. To add a new client, we simply select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner and move through each step. For this demo, we'll create a sample client named John Doe. John lives at 1234 A Street, Anytown, Anywhere. If we wanted to specify a separate mailing address, we could do so here. In this case, we'll skip it. Postal code or zip code would be 123456. We can enter up to 2 phone numbers per client. In this case, we'll just make a sample one. We'll skip phone number 2. Email address. All of the site information, if we want to email our site reports, would go to the same email address that's included in the client profile. So for this one, we'll do john@doe.com. If our client has a website that we'd like to keep track of, we can enter it here. And finally, we have our notes section for our client profile. The idea behind the notes section on this screen is that these notes are internal. So when we go to email our site reports, we will not be including these notes. So we'll just put internal only for now. Once we're finished adding that, we select save, and we're finished building our client profile. With our client created, we can do a couple things from our client screen. If we swipe to the right, we can delete the client. If we want to edit our client information, we can select the blue arrow, go in and edit, and select done. If we want to continue and build a site profile under this client, we would click it once, click the plus icon once again, and begin to build our site. So this will be sample site. Timer location could be mechanical room. Timer model, we can use whatever we like, sample model. Shut-off location could be mechanical room as well. Backflow preventer, same. And site notes would go here. These would be public notes about the site. If we want to record our valve box locations, we can do so through this screen. So we can put valve box by rear patio. Valve box 2 would be by front patio, and then we select done. When we continue on down the screen, we can go to services requested. This is specific to this site. So in this case, we'll assign spring startup, winterization, monthly inspections, and lighting maintenance. Select done, and then we're on to our zone list. To create a zone list, we simply select add, choose the total number of zones we'd like to add for this session or for this site, and then enter our descriptions. So zone 1 will assign front right turf, front left turf, and front gardens main. Select OK. Then we choose the irrigation method for each one. So for our front right turf, we'll assign spray, front left turf, we'll choose rotors, and front gardens main, we'll choose drip. Once we've completed everything on the Add Site screen, we select Save, and we're prompted to email it to the client if we choose to. If we choose Yes, The email pops up pre-populated. It includes all of the site information that we've entered on our site screen. It includes the services requested for this specific site, and it includes our pre-built zone map. If we want to send, we simply select send at that point. In this case, we'll cancel back out. Once we've added multiple clients and multiple sites to our app, it's easy to use the search function to build quick, easy lists to help us run our service business more efficiently. If we want to search our database without any criteria selected, we can just do that through the search screen. If we'd rather look for specific services, so come up with a list of, say, spring startup clients, we select spring startup, we hit done, and automatically our spring startup clients will pop up here. Back at our site screen, if we need to edit our client sites, we can go in here and just automatically edit. Anytime we change anything, we need to select save, and anytime we want to email our client the site, we can do that right from the site screen. And finally, we have the About App tab. This screen gives a little more information about Irrigation Service Assistant, smartwaterapps.com, as well as provides a quick and easy way to suggest this application to a friend who might benefit from having this as part of their business. And that concludes the demo for Irrigation Service Assistant. Thanks very much for your interest in smartwaterapps.com.